Carbonado, also known as black diamond, is a rare and unique form of diamond with a polycrystalline structure. Unlike traditional diamonds, it has a porous surface and a dark, opaque appearance. If you suspect you have a Carbonado stone, here are several simple methods you can try at home to test its authenticity. 1. Visual inspection. Start by examining the stone closely. Carbonado diamonds are usually black or dark gray. They have a rough, porous texture, not smooth like polished diamonds. They don't reflect light in a shiny, sparkling way like regular diamonds. Hardness test. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching glass with a stone. A real Carbonado can scratch it easily. Be careful, this test can damage surfaces or the stone if done incorrectly. 3. Density test. Carbonado is slightly less dense than regular diamonds. Drop the stone into a glass of water. A real Carbonado should sink quickly, but note, many fake stones also sink, so this is not a definitive test. Tatter 4. Heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand high temperatures. Heat the stone carefully, e.g. with a lighter for a few seconds, then drop it into cold water. Real Carbonado should not crack. Be cautious, sudden temperature changes may damage some stones. Power 5. Magnification test. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Carbonado often has tiny holes or a sponge-like appearance. You may notice irregular internal structures rather than clear crystal patterns. 6. Electrical conductivity, advanced. Carbonado can conduct electricity slightly due to graphite inclusions. This test usually requires special tools, but it's a unique property compared to typical diamonds. 7. Fog test. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. Important note, home tests can give you an idea, but they are not 100% reliable. Many fake stones can pass simple tests. For accurate identification, consider taking your stone to a professional gemologist or jewelry expert. Conclusion. Testing Carbonado black diamonds at home is possible using basic observations and simple experiments. However, due to their unusual structure and similarity to other black stones, professional verification is always recommended for certainty.